Welcome to the beautiful gated Intracoastal Waterway community of Mariners Pointe in Little River. Number 122 is an ideally situated 2-bedroom, 2-bath ground floor villa boasting an open floor plan, stainless appliances, granite counters, tile flooring, fresh paint, and amazing salt marsh and waterway views. Enjoy the peaceful and unobscured surroundings as you watch the sunrise, passing boats, and indigenous shorebirds from your patio or screened porch. Mariners Pointe offers an array of amenities, including clubhouse, bar, pool and hot tub, and tennis, pickleball, and basketball courts. And its private marina offers over 100 boat slips available for sale or lease. Don't let this fantastic opportunity pass you by. Call today